Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly, and thank you for joining me here today. I wanted to share with you something that happened last night. I was cooking a gluten-free pizza in my oven at 450 degrees. And when I went to pull it out, I missed a little, and I grabbed the oven rack. And I burned myself right here really badly. And so I was concerned. I was ready to go to the urgent care and all of that, but it was really late at night and I just didn't want to deal with it. So I ran my hand under really cold water for a while, and then I went and got some aloe and just slathered it all over. And actually there was another place on my thumb that I burned because I grabbed like this, and that's completely gone. So I slathered it with aloe, and you can see, I hope you can see, but this was all really swollen and really painful last night. So this is what's left of it. I haven't put more aloe on it yet because I wanted to share this information with you. But a while back I had gone to Walmart, one of my favorite stores these days, and I picked up the this brand, the Equate brand, which is a gluten-free brand. So of course an aloe vera plant is best, but they had this, and the ingredients are aloe vera and leaf juice and water and glycerin and a couple other things, but this worked amazing. So I am not a doctor. If you burn yourself, have it checked out. I'm just sharing my experience with what happened, and by all means, please, if you or a loved one burn yourselves and you don't have any aloe or anything like this, don't take this as medical advice, okay? I'm just sharing my experience with a fairly minor burn from doing a stupid thing. And so I just, for those of you that don't know what aloe is about, it helps with sunburns. It also gives you a little bit of pain relief, and you can get a plant and just cut off a little bit, but I don't have one. Contains no alcohol, but it does moisturize and it does cool. And this is almost gone, and so this one is gone completely, and this will be gone tomorrow, I'm sure. So that's all. I just wanted to share this little home remedy with you, but again, I am not a doctor. This is not medical advice. But this works for me, and it's I always have it in my home. Always. It helps with bug bites. It helps with acne. It helps with moisturizing your skin. It helps. It's just a really great natural healing agent. So that's all. I like this brand. This is a, like I said, it's a gluten-free brand. Got it at Walmart. The price was really great. So that's all. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in my next video. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join my little doll house, okay? So have a great day. Thanks for watching.